Hi, good morning, guys.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, Neil. How's it
Hi.
going?
Hey, it's going well. How about
Yeah,
yourself? How was your week?
yeah, great, great. Everything's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as we enter into the weekend,
Mm-hmm.
Arish has done a good job in terms of getting the PPI, pre-purchase inspection report, and
Mm-hmm.
also we have got the wire details from the dealership. But yes,
Great.
before you make the payment to the dealership, there are
Mm-hmm.
certain steps which we have to take to make sure that the funds are going to the right account. Unfortunately, there are a lot of cases which are happening right now where the bank account might be of some other person or other company, right? So we'll cross verify, we'll make sure that it's the correct dealership account. For
Sure,
that, Irish will connect with the salesperson at the dealership, and
sure.
we will now share your driving license and
Okay,
the additional information what they may need to create something called an invoice or a
sure.
buyer's order, right? So it's a
Sure.
document which will be created by them, and in
Mm-hmm.
that they will put down your name, the vehicle, that is the Lexus which we are looking for, the price what we have agreed upon, and
Mm-hmm.
wire transfer details. Everything needs to
Sure.
be on the letter pad of the dealership, signed
Okay,
by their manager. Once we receive that document, then we will review that and then you can initiate the wire transfer.
sure. So that is like a contract, right?
It's an initial agreement that upon
Okay,
receiving the funds from you, the
okay,
dealership will sell the vehicle to you.
sure. And after like this initial agreement and after I pay the money, we will get a final contract, right?
Yes, we will receive the final contract,
Sure,
and
sure.
the final contract will have the same pricing because in the initial contract they have put the pricing and they have
Mm,
signed the paperwork. So
sure.
then
So,
when we'll receive the contract, we'll just cross verify. And then once you initiate the wire, that is
mm-hmm.
transfer of the money, you also take the screenshot of that and then, or maybe a download the receipt of that. And then we'll also send it to the dealership so they will know that this funds is coming to them.
Sure. And by the way, what is the actual miles of this car? Average told me like is 5,800, like something around that. But on the like Carfax report, it says like 5,300. So like, what is the actual miles right now? Can they provide it?
Yes, yes. So we'll ask the dealership to take a photo of the actual miles. So I'm just putting the note. First, we'll
Sure.
get the actual miles.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday it was raining significantly, so we did not get the video. So we'll ask them to send the video as well. Okay.
Sure. Yeah,
Third, we'll
actually we got a video yesterday,
okay,
but can you also ask them to like take like bunch of photos to show the details of this vehicle? Because the yesterday the inspection guy he did not take any photo. I just
okay,
want to make sure like everything is correct.
sure. I'll ask for the detailed photos. Okay.
Sure.
Um,
And
yeah.
so like any updates on the price? Still the same?
The
The
price is still the same. We have been just working on all the logistics aspect, and we
Sure.
wanted to negotiate once we also get the PPI done. In the PPI, everything checks out pretty well. So the
Mm-hmm.
car is in a good condition. Did you get
Mm-hmm.
a chance to go through the PPI report?
Yeah, I saw I checked the PPI report and yeah, everything looks good.
Okay. You have any questions or any additional information you need based upon that report?
Actually, no. I just want some like photos and videos to show like everything. Yeah.
Okay. So first we'll
Great.
get the actual miles. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Second, we'll get the detailed photos. Third, we'll
Mm-hmm.
look into the buyer's order slash invoice slash contract in whichever form
Mm-hmm.
they want to give it to us. So we'll collect this three information and send it over to you.
Great, great, great.
Yes.
And yeah, great.
Okay.
So everything can be done today, right? We
Yes,
can
yes.
pay the money,
Our
everything.
objective is
Okay.
to get it done today because we'll head into the weekend. So we take one day off, which is on Sunday. But
So I
unless
know.
this is pending,
Mm-hmm.
we'll make sure that we work to complete it. But our focus would be to get everything completed and for you to initiate the wire transfer, bank
Mm.
transfer, so that by Monday or Tuesday at the latest, they will receive the funds. And then we
Yeah,
can look into the shipping aspect.
great, great. All
Okay.
right. So
Yes.
yeah.
And
So
Irish from my team will be in communication with you. I'm also available. I'm also working throughout the day today as well.
sure, that's awesome.
Okay. Irish, do you have any questions for Tian Lin before we conclude the call?
No, sir, nothing as of now, but I'll definitely connect with him if there's anything.
Okay. Sounds good.
Sure,
All right.
that's
Then
great.
let's conclude
And
the call. We'll get to work.
yeah, and by the way, do I need to send you the driver license and passport right now, or wait
Just,
until?
just your driver license. If you can just email it
Okay,
to us
okay,
or send it via text message to Irish or
sure,
to me, then we'll just
sure.
proceed forward. We don't need your passport.
Great, great. All right,
Okay, sure.
all right, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye. Have a good one.